Hello and welcome back to another vlog. Today I have for you a day full of a bunch of things. I am basically hosting tomorrow, so I have to clean the apartment, I have to organize, declutter my makeup. I just want to do so many things and I figured why not share it all in a vlog. Since I want to have the apartment all organized and everything for tomorrow, I just figured I'll do it all today. As you can see from the corner over here, this is a little sneak peek of the office. I am going to be fully organizing and decluttering that today. That is going to be a totally separate video because I already started showing you guys like the before and the after and the transition, the new furniture that I got, and how I'm going to be organizing the fall and winter inventory. So yes, I'm trying to make that a totally separate video. Another thing, here is my lovely Toxica. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I named her Toxica because she's literally she just keeps dying on me. I've repotted her, I talk to her every day, I water her every so often, I don't overwater her. You know, I moved her from this corner over here because I thought she was getting too much sun there. She really just doesn't like me, so I'm letting her die. I do need to film my plant tour really soon before she dies, because even though she doesn't like me, this is still one of my favorite plants ever for a home, if you know how to take care of it or if it does well in your home. Like, I feel that fiddle leaf figs are so elegant and just I love it so much. But yeah, look, like this leaf for sure is going to fall by tomorrow. This one, however, just keeps thriving. I've had her for like 4 to 5 years, and I cut her every so often. Like, I give her a trim and I propagated it. I've made multiple plants from this one plant, which makes me really happy. Love her, highly recommend. It's a golden pothos. A little apartment update, I finally printed some photos for our gallery wall, which means that an apartment tour is coming really soon, because literally that's all I needed. I just needed to print some photos for this wall and also organize the apartment. With all of that being said, and my quick little recap of what I want to get done on today's vlog, I am now going to show you a Express haul. Today's video is sponsored by Express. You guys know how much I love them. The cardigan is from Express. This is from last year though, but I think they have it still. I also have it in black. I just love their cardigans and their sweaters. So I got a few of their fall pieces and I'm really excited to show you guys. So let's jump right into my little haul. All right, so this is everything I got from Express. I got so many beautiful pieces for the fall time that I can't wait to wear and show you guys. I'm obsessed with this blazer. It's like a leather blazer. It feels so luxe. Obviously faux, but it just feels so good. So let's jump right into me trying everything on. All right, so starting with jeans, this is the first pair, which is a kind of like a sage or dark sage green. It's a beautiful green tone, especially for the fall, but this is what it looks like. I personally love Express jeans. I got it in a size 4L. This is their slim super high rise. The bottom of the jeans look like this, but I overall love how these fit. This next one is really similar when it comes to the fit and cut. Like, it has that distressed little detail at the bottom, but it is a super high rise. It's a slim super high rise. It is really high rise for my torso. Like, I have a really short torso, so this super high rise looks very high rise for me. But I love the fit of the 4. This is what the back looks like. And yeah, it's a 4 long. It feels so soft as well. Lastly, for pants, I got this pair of black trousers, which I am obsessed with this fit and just the overall feel of these pants. So these aren't all the way long, as you can tell, but I got it in a size 4L and they look like this from the back. I just love how it fits, especially on the waist area and my hips. So 10 out of 10 would recommend. I'm definitely going to get different colors. I believe I have the same pair in like a color like this, which I've shared before, so I'll link it down below for you guys. I also got this really casual t-shirt, which is a cropped t-shirt. So this is the length. It's kind of like a cropped fit. Has a nice little ruche detail right here, and the sleeves fold like that, but I really like it as well. I then got this beautiful purple top, which I feel like I don't own anything with this color. Let me see if I can show you the real color. It's a stunning, beautiful purple shade. Love the sleeves. I also love the scoop detail and like how flowy it feels. This is what the back looks like, so it's pretty nice on the back. I try to tuck it in, but yeah, it's a crop fit, and I just overall really love this one. I believe it comes in different colors as well, but I think you could definitely dress it up and dress it down. It also looks really cute with this pair of pants. I also got this top, which is a beautiful champagne slash like tan brown tone, and it's just such a beautiful fit. Love the material. It is really wrinkly. I should have ironed it, but you guys know I'm going to be cleaning all day, so this is what it looks like. I'm going to be linking it down below for you guys. It has a really deep v-neck, but I overall love the sleeves and just how it looks. Next, I got this beautiful sweater, which I feel like it would look nicer with different pants, but I love the detail that it has. It's so different from anything I own. It's like a little twist situation detail here. The material is literally the best sweater material. It's lightweight, but still thick and just great quality overall. So I love the v-neck and the fit of this one. I got it in a size small. Also got this bag, which I thought it was going to be a lot smaller than what it is, but you can fit your entire life in here. I love bags like these, like very loose and slouchy, because you can fit so much. I have one already in like this color, but really like, it's also on sale, and it comes in another beautiful like tan caramel color. All right, so I had to leave the best for last. I am obsessed with this blazer for the fall and winter. Oh my god, this looks so New York to me and so chic. I feel like you could definitely dress up any outfit or just add more of an edgy feel to it or look to it. I love the material. It's so soft. It has 2 pockets. You just have to open it, and a cute little button. I remember they had it in a beautiful tan color, which if they still do, I'm going to link it below because it's another beautiful color. And then I also got this pair of heels. I love Express heels. They're honestly one of my favorites, and this one is just so stunning on. But yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it for today's Express haul. Let me know which one was your favorite piece. I'm going to link everything below like I mentioned. They have many more fall pieces, fall winter pieces that are absolutely stunning, so definitely check it out. And thank you so much, Express, for sponsoring today's video. But with that being said, let's move on to cleaning and organizing the apartment. This is the current situation here after a haul. Again, this bag is so cute, especially with this leather on leather. I think it's so nice. All right, I have yarn everywhere because I'm planning on making a blanket for tomorrow's guests that I'm so excited to have over. But let's fix this. I'm going to set my tripod now. Alright, bedroom is for the most part clean. I just have this box to unbox, and then the yarn that I told you I was working on for a blanket. I, by the way, got some frames, so let me just quickly show you. So I ended up getting these frames from IKEA, but the actual print is from the poster store, I believe. I'll link it down below for you guys. I'm obsessed with them. I also have another one that's like pretty big, but these I got to put on the sides. I need to get them out and like tape it so it stays on top. But that one is from New York, and then this one is a beautiful like beach look one, and behind it I have another one because I also want to put one in my bathroom, like right here, since it's so bare. But yeah, I don't know what to do with this ladder. I love this ladder so much. I just don't know where to put it. Right, so now on to the living room. I need to clean and organize this as well. I also need to like vacuum and mop the entire apartment. But these boxes I have to return from Walmart. I also have these packages to drop at the USPS store. This is filled with stuff that I want to exchange, trash. And then I am now going to work on the office. I won't show you in this video since I'm going to be making a separate video on it, but let me get into cleaning this room really quickly and be back. It is another day. As you can tell, a lot has happened. I finally put up the picture frames. We actually hosted Eric's uncles yesterday, so we were cleaning like crazy. I even have a pimple from my stress, but I'm going to show you a few clips of me cleaning and organizing the apartment and also putting up the picture frames. All right, back to real time now. I am so excited to wake up to a clean apartment, you guys. You have no idea. So much so that I think I'm finally going to film the apartment tour this week, so stay tuned for that. By the way, this is the same cardigan from Express, just in black. I told you guys I'm obsessed. I'm going to also link this one down below for you guys, but don't forget to check out the other links and the other pieces that I got. I have a couple things going on today, but I'm going to end today's vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out the links down below and see you next time.